Hey guys, today we're going to be using a planer to make our boards nice and smooth and all the same width. I line my boards up by size so that I can do them all at the same time. So I got widest to thinnest. So we're going to start by making the planer just above where our board is. So we're going to go down, which is to the right. I have it just barely touching. You really don't need to zoom in that much, my lovely videographer. All right, barely touching right there. Flip it on. That barely touched, so now we're gonna go down one full spin. I'm gonna go down a 1/16 of an inch. I'm going through again. Over so we have nice smooth side on both sides. Obviously this one's still a little bit rough, and then as our boards start to get thinner, we'll work in our next level. Probably a couple more cranks and then I'll add in the next boards. Here we go. Working our way down until all our boards are the same thickness and nice and smooth. Good luck, guys. And here's one of my finished boards. And here's the finished mess, all the fun part. Get crafting.